Hey there, it's Coach Tracy from Med3 Fitness, and today I want to show you a really great piece of equipment that my husband and I built this week based on an awesome tutorial I found online from my friend Steph over at Barbell Sanctuary. So what do you need to make it? You're going to need a couple pieces of 2x4, some screws and a hinge, and an anchor so you can attach a chain to be able to make the piece of equipment. The other thing you need is a cage to put it in. So as you can see, here is the frame of the piece of equipment we made, and I'm going to show you how to use it for hyperextensions. So starting with the frame that we made for the reverse hypers, I got a pull noodle and cut it up to allow for padding on the place to hold the plates on, and so I just slip it on there to get my leg padding, and now I can do leg curls with this one piece of equipment. Now I'm able to do 2 exercises. I have a third coming up next. The third exercise that I'm going to show you is a leg extension. While you're not going to be able to get the full range of motion that you would from a normal leg extension because the main piece of wood does not bend, it does get the job done, and you got to make sure that you're at the right height to be able to get the best extension you can. So I've set this a little high so that my knee is at a 90-degree angle, and I am able to complete leg extension. So I'm pretty excited about that. The next exercise that you can do with this handy contraption is going to be abductors. So where we made tension on the chain previously to do the reverse hypers, we're going to actually make the chain a little longer so we have better range of motion. So I have done the longer chain, and I'm just going to hold it to the side while I do abduction. So, while I would love to be able to do adduction with these, it really doesn't work out the same way doing the adduction as it does the abduction. So after a couple uses with the wooden main board, I ended up cracking the board because of just putting weight on one side. It became unstable and it cracked right in place. So my amazing husband replaced the center pole or center board with a strong piece of material. It's steel or something like that, I don't know, and then reinforced it with screws because initially it was bending a little bit. The other thing is when we put the hook on, the hook was in a different position, and every time I would put the chain on, it would fall off. So we bent the hook, and now I'm in business.